Japan's got a flying car. It just got off the ground. Look at that guy. How happy is that guy? Just in his flying car. It looks like a motorcycle. It looks like anime. Big anime guy, Will.
Well, Cowboy Bebop. That's the really only anime.
Vin's a big anime guy. Vin, what's a good anime for people to watch? Classic. He's gonna think about it.
Pokemon.
Doesn't that have an anime vibe to it? The shape of it? No.
Oh yeah.
Am I crazy?
Looks like a Gundam.
Oh, Vin wants what? Hellsing OBA? All right, that's what you got to watch, anime fans. Vin said it. You heard it here. Hellsing OVA. I got it wrong. Wow.
That's anime. That's very anime.
Very anime. You didn't think Vin could pull it out, Will. You had no faith that Vin was going to come with it, and he brought it today. What is that, the vampire one, Vin? You got vampires, then you got Vin interested. Anyway, so you got the flying car, and the key with this thing, Will, well, they tested it. They didn't do much with it, but they tested it. They say 2023, they're going to put this thing out. And there's a lot of flying car projects going on right now, but the key with this one and any eventual flying car, you got to have the vertical takeoff and landing. You can't be on...
There's no runway.
You can't have a runway going on. There's no space for it. It'll never work. But you got to admit, you look at that thing. What do you think, Will, if you had a short commute?
Yeah, I really like the name VTOL. It stands for Vertical Takeoff and Landing.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's very cool.
It looks like a sort of motorcycle. The propellers are lifted 1 to 2 meters off the ground. Right now, it can't do very much. It can fly 5 to 10 minutes. So let's not get
a drone.
Let's not get too excited.
Yeah.
But they're saying that's going to become 30 minutes soon.
A trip to the grocery store.
Hey, man, a short commute. I don't know.
Yeah.
And 30 minutes, who knows? That becomes an hour. You know how this stuff works. Well, it takes time. But people have been talking about the flying car since the Jetsons, and it still hasn't happened. And it will be cool in my lifetime to see such a thing. Now, if people start crashing these things, it could be an issue. Anyway, this company has a decent investment. Apparently, they recently received another round of funding for $37 million from the Development Bank of Japan. So they got a few bucks, and they seem committed. 2023, that could be you, Will.
Would you ride this?
Of course I ride that.
You'd man it?
What's weird is you need a whole new set of rules from the transportation in the area that you're in. You have to have a license. I can't just pop that on the road tomorrow. Right? We need to get the correct licensing and
regulation.
What happens with the insurance? Anyway, that's boring stuff. We don't have to care about that stuff. We like the technology, so we'll just say it's going to happen. You know what, Will? When we get the new studio, you talk to SkyDrive and see if we can get one of these over there. We'll fly it in there.
Okay.
I don't know how you ship one of these things. They're probably going to have to. No, they're not going to match you to go over the ocean with that one.